Welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can make simple thumbnails in Canva. You can make a very good thumbnails over there, like you can make very sophisticated thumbnails, but I'm just showing a beginner's guide how you can go ahead and make thumbnails for your YouTube channel on Canva. So let's start with that. Okay, for this, first go to your browser, open any Google Chrome or anything and type in Canva. Open the website. You too can create an account if you want, it's free. Like I have created a personal account. Now go and select the size of a thumbnail according to your YouTube settings. It will have a YouTube option itself for thumbnail. You just have to go ahead and select that. Just search it wide. It's very easy. You'll be able to do that. It's for beginners only, and you will get a template for that. I will figure around with about 2-3 templates and see which one suits me best. As you see, I have so many images over here. I made many thumbnails using this. So we are just going ahead and checking like what can be done here. Sorry for the silence, I was just checking the video, like how we can go ahead and make a proper thumbnail for you. And if you're wondering how I'm doing a screen recording over here, we do have a screen recorder running on the right side. So now we found under YouTube thumbnail, it has a ratio automatic updated on that, so you don't have to do anything. Just select any template. Like you will have many free templates, go for that. Do not go for the premium template or else you do have to pay for it. You can change the images or anything on that. For example, I'll take this daily vlog. Delete the content from that. We just want the normal format because we do have our own picture which has to be inserted. And for sometimes for pictures also you can go to the website and do it. So let's go ahead and check what can we go ahead and make here. So fix a remote. Okay, we'll just go ahead and make the thumbnail, and later on I'm going to use this thumbnail for another of our videos also. We can just reduce the size as much as you want so that it comes in the first subtitle or second title, however you make it in a proper manner. Now we do need images for the same, and that we will be going ahead and getting from Google. We do need a remote picture, so we will go head on to Google and we'll do that. Before that, we'll just do a little bit of setting here. We'll delete some more unnecessary things on the video, on the template. So now it's just going ahead and creating it in a wonderful way. You could take your own time for it, pause the video and do it slowly, because I'm going to do a slow guide over here so that everybody can make it easy for themselves. And now we do require an image because we are deleting the images. So I'm just going to go ahead and put free remote images, and we will get something or other in the Google. But be sure you don't take any copyright images. Always do take an image which is of non-copyright, because you can use this in your YouTube, Instagram, but you don't need a copyright strike over there. So we are just saving the image. Let's see if any one of the images are working here. Sometimes you do have to go to the website and download the image, and we will be able to do that. This would just take a couple of more minutes for me to get the image properly. I think so we do have to go to a website to go ahead and get this. Let's visit the site, or else you'll get the web link only. So let's go to the website. There'll be many images, so we can just right click on any of the images which is free, and tada, we got the image. As you see, it's from my stock. It's a copyright, like it's a free image from them. Now we'll go ahead and add the title also over here. Like everything, all your tools, whichever you want, is there in Canva, and we are not having a pro version over here. We are just using a free version. So I'm not telling you to go ahead and pay for Canva for making a subtitle, or a thumbnail, or your banner, or anything. You can just use it for free. Images, you can put your own images also, where you will not have any watermark on it. I'm just using this just to demonstrate how it can be done. Once you type the title or anything like that, just make it a little bit bigger and centered so that it looks popping out. Because once you make it centered and everything, then you're good to go. All you have to do after that is to go ahead and save your image. Once you fix the font and everything, you just have to go ahead and save your image, and the image will be wonderful for you, which you can use in your YouTube thumbnails or anything like that. Please be careful of not subscribing too many or not downloading too many images where you lose out the chance. Take this slow, steady, and you'll be able to go ahead and make your thumbnails without any problem. I've showed it in the layman's way of making it, so anyone can go ahead and make this for themselves. See, that's how it's done. So you will not have the iStock image also over there. Like, you can use your own images. You can use the background blur and everything. All the thing is available on Canva. Not only images, you can also make videos on that. But for that, I think so you do have to take a subscription. But apart from that, every normal thumbnail or banners can be made over here. That's all from me over here. And if you do like video, see the end.
Thanks for watching the video, and if you did like the video, please do go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. It would be very helpful, and please always watch the videos till the end so that it helps the channel. Thank you there. This is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.